Behind me is Telford's latest development. This one here is Alperton Bus Depot and is using a unified facade across 3 towers. The balconies have recently been added just today, where the remote locking device from Sapphire was used to help streamline that process. At an early stage, Sapphire had engaged with the various different parties involved in the process to make sure that the facade was delivered as swiftly and easily as possible, and those interface details work for both construction and for the long term. On the tower behind, you can see the stub brackets which have been placed on the unfinished facade. There's no further action which needs to happen here from a balcony point of view until we get the install process, which is currently ongoing, the install of this first tower. The reason for that is that the arm is brought up inside of the cassette of the balcony, rather than the balcony itself having to be placed onto an arm which is pre-existing and has been added from access equipment. It means you're cutting out a whole stage of that process. You've got the casting anchor, you've got the arm, but the arm comes up inside of the cassette, making it a swifter and easier install process.